not just a coffee.
We're gonna try and get some food, but we'll see how it goes. My budget is a little bit tight, like just coffee tight, but let's see how it goes. No, water tight, only water.
We have some frog.
Some frog.
I'm asking you.
What are you gonna have?
I want to order for everyone pork,
Still just looking
a
at
little bit pork, and I want to order vegetables.
What's this?
vegetables. Are you vegetarian or are you vegan?
Yeah, I'm vegan people. So spicy friend. Waste.
Yeah, I forgot. Oh well.
No, I know only about sweets.
Now I know what's wrong with the vegan and sweets. Well, the sweet part is good.
Yeah, good idea.
Vegan. I've got chocolate actually.
Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been
Super excited. Gonna have my first bullfrog in China.
Just
Or Asia.
Bullfrog.
Bullfrog. Bullfrog.
Is it
It's not a. She's not a bullfrog.
just a bull?
Well, yeah. So okay. So now let's see. Okay. Let's go for it.
Let me help you with that.
Oh, she's too nice.
And action!
Okay. Let's go for this.
Guy is having a frog. It's not a frog, it's a bullfrog.
It's bullfrog.
Yes.
Bullfrog. Okay.
And 5, 4, okay,
Come
1.
on.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Are you proud of your choices?
This is actually
All the
excellent.
choices? Okay.
It's so meaty. It's so nice.
Just give me a chance to try it.
Yeah.
Commentators? Okay, they are hitting the frog. They are hitting the frog. He's swallowing. He's swallowing. Is it wet then?
Yeah.
It is not bad. But my frogs have some.
And,
Yeah.
elaborate, please. What are your findings?
Tell us, how does it taste?
I have all the time in the world.
She loves it.
Where's the mic? We'll use this.
You didn't like it?
Love
We've
it.
got some bullfrog, we've got some squid, or rat tails. We've got some traditional
Oh, I
rice.
ate it. Okay.
Guys, take your rices.
Hate it. You hate
Say
it?
again, how did it taste?
I hate. I've been waiting for that like all my life. So when you decided to make
How does the bullfrog taste, sir?
No. You like it?
My bullfrog has a lot of bones.
It has a lot of bones.
I'm interested. What is the part of the bullfrog? Is it?
It is part of the glutes. Glutes.
Okay, I'll just
Get in there.
tiny.
Oh. That's not how to eat in China. No, that's not the frog.
No, I want.
That's not the frog. You see, we need to keep an eye on her.
No. I still need.
Okay. Finally going back home. Are you happy? She's working. Nobody's gonna hear anything. confident.